So how my dear folks again here by our TV screen. I promised you to talk about physics and spirituality and what has to do with the aliens. So let's do as a little science fiction experiment. Let's imagine that we have a little tiny spaceship which is very tiny and makes us able to fly in an atom. This is an atom. This is the core here. There's the protons and electrons, which you see here. I don't want to talk about what kind of atom that it is because the principle is always the same. And you see the electrons which goes around. Here is another picture of them. You see here the electrons, they are here outside. And that is a quite long way to the core here. So if you see that in the reality, so this could be a baseball place, and this would be a core which would be like something like 10 inches or whatever, even smaller. And here you see again the protons and electrons. So our experiment is now this. With our spaceship we're going to fly in this atom. So the spaceship would have about the size of an electron or even smaller. So we come from here and fly into the atom. What we going to see? So first we see the atom is something very unsharp, so like a little bit here, the image here on the top here. So like a cloud. Then we fly in because the electrons turns very fast around. So we cannot see the individual electrons. But we fly in. What are we going to see then? But first of all, we're going to see more or less nothing. So we fly in the nothing. It's a black night. And then we continue the way to fly in the direction of the core. And after certain times we're going to arrive to the core, but on the way it's really nothing. And let's follow the experiment. We're going to fly in a proton or something like of this or electron. It would be the same. So we have other elements inside of the proton, but between them we have what we see is more or less, first of all, nothing. So that says us that the biggest thing in an atom is empty space. So that means also, if you look at that, this is filled with atoms, so it seems to be hard, but in reality, if you have a tiny spaceship, you can fly through them. So it's like energy, it's like light or electric or electronic waves. So Einstein speaks about the E, the M and something like that, that energy would be more another form of matter. So next time I'm gonna talk about what that means with the aliens and with the spirituality. Now I wish you a nice evening.